A sunny suburban morning with three sisters excitedly preparing for an adventure outside their cozy brick house. Haram, the eldest, stands confidently at the center, holding a map, her oval face glowing with determination. She has long, straight, dark brown hair tied neatly into a braid and wears a white shirt with denim overalls. Hamda, the middle sister, with her round face and wavy medium brown hair, adjusts her backpack with a curious look in her wide hazel eyes. She's dressed in a light green t-shirt and khaki pants. Hania, the youngest, with her heart-shaped face, curly black hair and mischievous grin, hops on the front steps in her bright yellow dress with white polka dots. The yard is lush with blooming flowers and the sky's bright blue. A magical forest entrance with sunlight streaming through towering trees. The sisters are stepping onto a narrow path surrounded by colorful wild flowers. Haram leads confidently, pointing ahead while holding Hamda's hand. Hamda looks around in awe, her wide hazel eyes taking in the glowing fireflies floating nearby. Hamda skips a few steps behind, giggling and tossing a small stick into the air, her curly black hair bouncing. The atmosphere feels alive with magic. Golden sparkles drift through the air, and distant bird songs can be heard. The sisters stop at a shimmering pond surrounded by soft moss and glowing flowers. The water sparkles as if filled with tiny stars, and sitting on a smooth rock is a golden frog wearing a tiny crown. Haram crouches down near the frog, her brown eyes wide with curiosity. Hamda kneels a few feet away, tilting her head in wonder, while Henya leans in excitedly, her hands resting on her knees. The surrounding trees reflect softly in the pond, and beams of sunlight create a dreamy, magical glow. The sisters sit on the grassy bank of the shimmering pond, deep in conversation about their wish. Haram speaks with confidence, her hands gesturing animatedly. Hamda sits cross-legged, thoughtfully holding her chin while glancing between her sisters. Hania claps her hands together with excitement, her grin mischievous and her dark eyes sparkling. The golden frog watches them attentively, its crown catching the sunlight. The background features the tranquil pond and softly glowing flowers swaying in the breeze, adding to the enchanting atmosphere. A towering, ancient oak tree transforms into a magical tree house. The structure features a cozy balcony, colorful slides spiraling down, and glowing lanterns hanging from the branches. A vivid rainbow arches above the tree, casting a gentle, multicolored glow over the scene. Haram stands with her arms wide, marveling at the treehouse. Hania jumps with glee, pointing at the slides. The enchanted forest surrounding the treehouse is alive with magic. Tiny glowing butterflies flutter around, and a soft golden mist lingers in the air. Inside the treehouse, the sisters explore a room filled with whimsical glowing toys. A hovering spinning top floats in the air, while a teddy bear waves from a shelf. Haram climbs a rope ladder to the treehouse's second level, her braid swaying behind her. Hamda lounges on a colorful beanbag, examining a glowing toy train with fascination. Hania slides down a brightly colored slide, her yellow dress flaring out as she squeals with delight. The room is bathed in warm golden light, and magical details like twinkling fairy lights and sparkling dust motes add to the enchanting feel.